Easy English practice.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? Correct answer is option B. She doesn't like apples. Choose the correct form of the verb. Correct answer is option B. He goes to the gym every day. Which sentence is in the past tense? Correct answer is option C. I visited my friend yesterday. Identify the correct preposition. Correct answer is option C. We will meet on Monday. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. Correct answer is option A. This is my book. That is yours.
Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I don't know why she's upset. She woke up on the wrong side of the option A, chair option B, table option C, bed option D, room. Correct answer is option C, bed. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? After losing the game, the team had to bite the shit and accept defeat. Option A, bullet. Option B, cake. Option C, rope. Option D, apple. Correct answer is option A, bullet. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I told him 100 times, but my advice fell on deaf. Option A, eyes. Option B, feet. Option C, hands. Option D, ears. Correct answer is option D, ears. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I was feeling sick, but now I'm as fit as a. Option A, rock. Option B, tiger. Option C, fiddle. Option D, cloud. Correct answer is option C, fiddle. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I was so embarrassed I wanted the ground to swallow me. Option A, now. Option B, whole. Option C, away. Option D, inside. Correct answer is option B, whole. Thank you for watching this videos. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.